Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious kids' favorite cinnamon rolls, and one of my favorite. I have my dough ready, 3 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, and let's get started. How do I make it such fluffy and nice dough? Please watch my other video I have posted on my Easy Steps. So we're going to take it out. We're going to dust off with the flour. Just flatten out the dough, just like this. Brown sugar and cinnamon. This is so easy to make, and once you make it, the kids, they love it. Once it's nicely combined, and we're going to flatten the dough. You can get a rolling pin and you can roll out like this. You just can flatten it just like this. This is perfect. So once it's nicely flattened, we're going to get cinnamon sugar mixture just like this. We're going to start rolling. As we roll it, we basically tuck it in. This is perfect. We're going to start all over again, just like this. And if your fingers are sticky, put your finger in all-purpose flour, then keep rolling, just like this. And we're going to bring it on top. We're going to make even size pieces. We're going to make it 12. So we're going to cut right in the middle. And now I'm going to make 6 of these. Place it right on our baking tray. I'm using glass bakeware. You can use any tray. And we're going to bake it on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. My oven is preheated already, so I'll finish up the same way. The oven is preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and the cinnamon rolls. The cinnamon roll took us exactly 20 minutes, and they are nicely done. I'm going to turn off the oven and I'll take it out. I have my cooling rack ready, and we're going to take it out. Look at this. So delicious. The cinnamon rolls are nicely done. I'm going to cut right in the middle. They are sticking together. So we're going to take it out just like this. They are really hot. So it's always a good idea. Let it cool down for 5 minutes before serving. Our tasty and delicious cinnamon rolls. They are very tasty and very delicious. Very yummy. Look at that. Fluffy. So good. Please try it. Very yummy. And if you look at inside, steaming hot. I hope you like this recipe, and please try it and comment below how it turned out for you. Like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.